Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to give you the answer to this question, that is, can you use Tabby in the physical stores? So the quick answer is yes, you can definitely use Tabby card in physical stores that accept the Tabby card, and here is how you can basically do it. In the first method, you can add your Tabby card to Apple Pay or Google Pay. This turns your Tabby card into a contactless payment method. You can even shop at the partner stores. In order to check the partner stores, you need to come on your Tabby application, and over here you need to tap on the shop option, or you can even discover it by tapping on the discover option, and here on the home page you will be able to see their partner stores. So Tabby works with the selected retailers, so you need to check the application for the participating stores, and then you can just go to those stores and you can swipe your Tabby card. You can even use your phone or your smartwatch at the checkout terminal, just like a regular debit or credit card, and your purchase is divided into 4 free installments. So you just have to simply check if the store accepts your Tabby card before actually shopping. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.